Emoji Random Puzzle Generator.
Hello and welcome to Tech Tips with Cameron. Today we have something that I think is very, very fun. It's a random emoji puzzle generator. So if you're just looking for a quick, short activity to have with your students, all we're going to do is say hi and we can showcase how this puzzler works. It's a Friday fun riddle master and it wants to give us some fantastic emoji puzzles. So it's got easy, medium, and hard level questions depending on what grade you are in. Again, anybody can use any grade. It was just a way to see how I could use differentiation with inside of a Gemini Gem.
Great job with that.
Remembering, of course, Gemini Gems are those custom conversations that you create so that it can perform repeated tasks without you having to put the prompts in again and again and again. So let's just start with level 2. That seems like a rocket clock. I don't think a rocket clock is anything, so I'm going to need to think about that one. Crown ring, again, not sure what that could possibly mean. And the third one is an idiom, and it's raining cats and dogs. And I will ask for a hint for number 1 and 2. I built it so that it will give hints. Now I know. Time flies. All right, so I figured out time flies. Really struggled with number 2, which the answer turned out to be king ring, which I'd never heard of.
Keep the human in the loop.
So again, great way to have this conversation with students, saying like, sometimes it's going to make up things. And we can continue on. And again, to showcase, we did this inside of Canvas. I used Pro to actually do it, but this is the file. So it's built this in conjunction with Gemini Canvas to build it up and adding in those difficulty levels, making sure that it's got reasonable categories. I had to go back and forth a few times. Do not reveal the answer. Offer quizzes. Make sure that everything is non-controversial, making sure we're not dealing with anything real, to make sure that we have got an inclusive, positive, and fun environment. Now, super great. Love this. Worked out awesome.